Hey everybody, hope you can hear me. It's a little windy as usual. We're back on the stump or the log. We're back on the log. We did burn up the P60. We're gonna have to find a jug for that, so keep that in mind if you guys know anybody that's got Pioneer parts. Bushman hasn't. When he told me he didn't, I thought maybe I was in trouble, but we'll see. So we put the Dolmar on here, 7910. I modified the bar. We made one cut. We finished the cut that the Pioneer was doing when it burned up. Seems to work. So we're getting oil. The saw is still running. We'll get you some footage here and see what we do. Maybe we burn up another saw. Let's hope not.
So as we're running around here, I'm gonna real quick tell you, the camera was just doing crazy stuff, shutting off, flipping upside down, so bear with us. Did the best I could with editing. I lost part of it as I tried to edit. Yeah, it is what it is. We got the log sawn up, and that's what was important. So, hey, enjoy the rest of the video. And like I say, bear with us. We did the best we could.
So we wanted to show you guys some of this wood that we're taking all this time to do. I got 2 by 2.
Yeah, I think a 2x4 piece is fine, but I can swing down and buy one. It's not a big deal.
Oh, here we are. Pretty wood. So that's what we've done so far. 1, 2, 3, 4. One of those was from the other day, so we've done 3 today. We're getting there. So Dine and I go back a ways. There's a lot of stories I can't tell you. I will tell you that we spent a Saturday trying out for, what was it?
Oh,
The Great Race?
the Great Race.
The Great Race.
Amazing race.
Amazing race.
Amazing race.
Amazing race, yeah. So it was fun. We had a good time. They thought we were funny. I don't think they wanted us because they never called us back. But yeah, let's all say thank you, Dine.
Oh, no. Thank you, John. You did all the work.
We had a great time.
I watched. I
hey,
watched him and helped watch.
Yeah, that's how it works, man. Friends are friends. We do what we do because we want to.
And now he's got some sticks.
Now we got a lot of sticks. So, Dine's not a follower of Buckin, but I'm going to make him stand here and listen. Buckin did a video the other day, and Buckin's always talking about, like the rest of us, you know, lift up your fellow man, love yourself first, then you can love everybody else. So, Buckin, he just said something. He was dropping that big cedar that was all eaten up by carpenter ants. He was talking about wedging. And then he said something about people. And I thought, you know what? It's just another stupid metaphor. But that's how we think. It's like a parable. It's a metaphor. Words can cut. They can lift you. They can knock you down. Well, we use wedges to knock trees down.
Or hold up a slab.
Or hold up a slab as we're cutting it. What if we think about using words as a wedge of support? Lift your fellow man with your words. Don't knock them down. They're not a tree. Maybe it's a dumb metaphor. I don't know. I'm going to run with it until you guys tell me to stop. So, hey.
Stop.
We're going to go do some editing. We're going to get rid of some man glitter. Thanks for watching. Love y'all. Be kind.